Here's a question I get constantly. Why are so many corporate development teams still managing deals on Excel? Well, Excel is familiar, it's flexible, it's already on your computer. But if you've ever lost track of M&A data across multiple tools, or spent an hour reconciling spreadsheet versions, or even felt exhausted from manually updating deal info, you've already outgrown Excel. Hi, I'm Ray at DealRoom. Let's talk about why spreadsheets are so common in M&A, where they break down, and how to know when it's time to move to a platform that actually gives you control of your M&A process. First, let's be fair to Excel. There's a reason it's everywhere. It's free or already included in the office. Everyone knows how to use it. It's incredibly flexible. You can build anything. And for 1 or 2 simple deals, it works fine. When you're doing 1 acquisition a year, tracking a handful of prospects, and your teams are just 3 people, Excel is totally adequate. You don't need enterprise software for a small scale operation. But here's where it breaks down. Here are the specific moments when Excel stops working for corporate development teams. Number 1, when you're managing multiple concurrent deals. Suddenly, you've got multiple Excel trackers scattered across shared drives, multiple owners, and no single source of truth. Which version is current, who updated what, and you're spending more time with version control than actual deal work. That's chaos. When critical information lives in email. Excel can't capture that conversation. All your context, why you scored a target that way, what the seller said in last week's call, what legal flagged in diligence, that's scattered across email threads. When someone new joins the deal, they're flying in blind. You're exhausted from herding stakeholders just to keep everyone aligned. Then number 2, when your team grows beyond a handful of people, Excel doesn't do real-time collaboration. When multiple people try to update the same spreadsheet, you get conflicts, overwritten data, and constant manual reconciliation. This is an inefficiency at its worst. Excel was never designed for M&A. It was designed for financial analysis and calculations. When you try to use it for managing your deal pipeline, coordinated work streams across your deal team, and tracking action items, you're forcing a tool to do something it was never built for. And once you're a corporate development team executing multiple deals per year, often concurrently, Excel becomes a source of chaos, inefficiency, and exhaustion. Here's the good news. Moving from Excel to purpose-built M&A software doesn't mean starting from scratch. Platforms like DealRoom are built to work with your existing data. You're not throwing away your Excel trackers, you're importing them into a unified platform that actually manages the full deal lifecycle. You get the flexibility you loved about Excel, customizable fields, your own workflow, your own scoring criteria. But you also get what Excel couldn't provide. It's streamlined, a single source of truth that eliminates the chaos of scattered information across multiple Excel trackers, email threads, and shared drives. It's automated, purpose-built workflows that cut manual work in half. Our customers see a 50% reduction in people hours per deal. It's aligned. Real-time notifications, tagging, and alerts that reduce the exhausting work of herding stakeholders. Everyone knows what they need to do to move the deal forward. DealRoom helps teams hit M&A targets without asking for more budget, with a 40% reduction in costs from eliminating redundant PM tools and decreasing billable hours. If you're a corporate development team managing deals in Excel right now and wondering if there's a better way, there is. And good news, the transition is easier than you think. DealRoom is the only M&A platform purpose-built for buyer-led M&A. We give you an end-to-end platform from pipeline through diligence to integration, all with a single source of truth that puts you back in control. Want to see how the transition works? Links in the description. We'll show you exactly how to move from Excel to a real M&A platform without disrupting your current deals.